How to repair a Troy Bilt Tiller. Troy Bilt Tillers are well rated by Troy Bilt customers. They are well made and reliable machines. Like any other machine, repairs are inevitable. You can complete some repairs yourself, but other repairs are best completed by a qualified Troy Bilt service dealer. Keep in mind that some repairs may be covered under the manufacturer's warranty. Find out if the repair required on your Troy Bilt Tiller will be covered. Taking advantage of warranty coverage can save you a lot of money. Things you will need: spark plug, socket, ratcheting wrench, paper, tape measure, new tine set, 5/16" piece of wood, 9/16" wrench, new foam and paper filter set. Disconnect the spark plug wire to replace the spark plug. Then remove the plug with a spark plug socket and a ratcheting wrench. Replace the old plug with a new one and reattach the spark plug wire. Note the pattern of the tines on a piece of paper before you begin replacing them so they are reassembled correctly. Inspect the tilling tines every 30 operating hours. Worn tines become narrower and more pointed. The middle gap between a new set of tines is 3 inches. Check the gap with the tape measure. When this gap increases to 5 inches or more, the tines need to be replaced. Tines are simply bolted into place onto the tine shaft via the left side and right side tine holders. Loosen the bolts with the ratcheting wrench, remove the old tines and bolt the new tines into place. Replace the tine holders when they show signs of wear. Replace the reverse disc, which is located just behind the engine, by wedging a piece of wood that is 5/16" thick just under the cast iron housing. Then use a 9/16" wrench to loosen the bolt holding the reverse disc in place. Put the new disc into position and replace the bolt. Loosen the wing nut holding the air filter cover in place. Remove and discard the old filters. Slip the new filters into position and replace the air filter cover. Tips: warnings. Performing regular maintenance tasks will help keep the need for repairs to a minimum. Keep all of the service tasks up to date. Regular maintenance tasks include checking and changing the engine oil, checking and cleaning the air filter, both the outer foam filter and the inner paper filter, checking the drive belt tension, checking the nuts and bolts and tightening them as needed, cleaning the tiller tine shaft, lubricating, greasing the tiller, checking the gear oil level in both transmissions and topping the level off when needed, and checking the air pressure in the tires and filling them when needed. Any major repairs that must be completed on the engine, the transmissions and the drive system forward and reverse must be completed by a qualified service dealer, especially if the repairs are required during the warranty period. If you attempt to complete a major repair during the warranty period, your efforts may void the remainder of the warranty. Any further damage that occurs if the repairs you perform are unsuccessful will also not be covered. If you are unsure about your warranty coverage, call Troy Bilt directly, or contact a local service dealer.